Hi everybody, welcome to Excel Prop Marketing Services. We are looking at today Godrej Ananda. However, we have shown this apartment, the project multiple times, and the subscribers who have subscribed to our channel and the regular viewers, so they are aware of the project. But however, in this we are gonna talk about the new phase which builder is planning to launch. So phase 3 I'm talking about. Well, let's first look at the construction of 1 and 2, not from the closer look. We'll have a little bit of distance. So this is phase 1. And here we have the marketing office. So well, this full land is of 20 point some change acres of land, G plus 28 floors in 1 and 2. Phase 1 and phase 2 has G plus 28 floor apartments. And then phase 3, they have 22 floor apartments which they have planned. So we have a nice seating area here for the visitors, and as well as inside we have a very huge space where the customers can visit the property. They can experience the sample apartments which are ready for phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3 for all. So here is the children's play area. If some families comes with the children, so you have even the children's play area where your children can play here till you decide on the buying a property in Godrej Ananda. A very nice place. So just look out the marketing offers and the way they have designed and the way we have done the construction of it is very well. Yeah, this is phase 1, 28 floors, and then there we have another set of phase 2, which is like, I'm not sure from here you guys are able to see it. So there you can see the yellow color crane. So that is phase 2 with 4 towers. Again, there we have 2 BHK and a 3 BHK Jodi and a normal 3 BHK with 2 washroom unit. So this is about phase 1 and phase 2 construction. So you can look out, the mirror work is almost they've started and they have done till I think 18th or 20th, close to. They are doing different tower by tower. You can look at 1, 2, 3. So tower by tower they are completing the work, and from ground floor I think they have already started the finishing work as well by looking out the construction from outside. But however, we request and we recommend all the customers to get in touch with your CRM department if you are looking out for further more updates on the construction, actual pictures of the construction status. This is phase 1 and phase 2, guys. So let us now try entering the marketing office. However, we'll not record anything, but first we'll look out. Okay, before that, let us talk about phase 3. Phase 3, they have started. They are collecting expression of interest. Like 1092 square feet of 2 BHK Jodi unit they have, and a 3 BHK close to about 600, like 1588 square feet apartment. They have the sample apartments ready for viewing. Along with that, they also have one new concept which they have already had in Godrej Splendor and as well as in Godrej Park Retreat. That is flexi wall inside the house. What is flexi wall? So usually the second room or the third room will have a wall where you can slide. So if you want your living area and dining area to look bigger, so you just need to slide your wall, so that where your automatically living area and dining area becomes larger. If you want to look out exact flat, we have the sample apartment at the site. You may visit the site and you may look out the property, and we have the miniature ready, the scale model of the apartment, where you may visit the property, experience the sample apartment and experience the apartment and the look, the way they have designed and other things. For further details, you may reach us. We'll be sharing our contact number, a description. Pricing starts from 59.99 lakh onwards. That's the starting value, the agreement value of the apartments, excluding other charges. And 3 BHK starts from 89.99 lakhs, excluding other charges. Yeah. So based on the floor, the price will have a difference, and based on the unit that you select, definitely the price will have difference. The cost difference will be there. So we just came early in the morning to record it because the crowd will not be there. It will be easier for me also to share the information whatever I'm aware of the project. Nicely designed. The phase 3 will also have good amenities, good lot of facilities. Here we have the phase 3 model sample apartments. Since RERA is yet to come, so we are not allowed to go inside and record it. So I'm not doing it. I'm following the whatever rules is there by RERA, right? Like as I said, don't forget to reach us. This is we are at the fastest selling zone in entire Bangalore, which is KIADB, Aerospace Park. The location is spread across 3,000 acres. Within that, 250 acres is assigned for residential development as per the whatever documents we have. And yes, in 3,000, this is the future of Bangalore, where all the developments are happening closer to North Bangalore, closer to Devanhalli. So as if now we have residential apartments here. We have Godrej. Since we are looking at Godrej, this is Godrej Ananda, 20 acres, and then we have Brigade, 50 acres, then we have Prestige, 25 acres, and then we have Provident, like 10 to 12 acres of land. As if now these four builders have decided to come and experience this location and to sell out the apartments to make this area grow faster way. About the commercial development, we have commercial developments which are happening. As if now, like good companies are already exist. Shell is one of the oldest company which is already there since last 5 years. I myself look at this company since last 3.5 years. Shell is there. SAP SAP, they have recently announced the inauguration and the Bhumi Puja was done. The construction started. Then BCCI cricket training center, one of the largest training center in entire Bangalore, I think in South India. So they have announced and the work is going on. Amazon warehouse center is already there. It's operational since very long, right? So then Boeing will also come. Rolls-Royce has planned up. Then Foxconn, 300 acre is given to Foxconn. So we are yet to get the details where exactly the Foxconn company will come. As per their plan, more than 50,000 employees will get an opportunity to work with Foxconn. All right, yeah. All these developments are nearby, which are already happening and which will be happening in future too. Now then we have an airport alone with more than 10,000, 11,000 employees are working within airport. So that's the current development. And the location which are already developed, we have Yelahanka, which is 11 to 12 kilometers. And then we also have Manyata Tech Park, approximately 15 to 18 kilometers. And these are the current locations where you have good employment opportunities, means people are already working. Manyata, I think 2.5 lakh people, employees are already there. Then we have Bharatiya Technology Center, like about 15,000 employees are working, close to about 15,000. I might be wrong in the numbers. You can Google it for further on numbers, if you have any further confusions. Then we have RMZ Galleria. Next to RMZ Galleria Mall, we have the RMZ as a building. And then again on Yelahanka, closer to the Air Force Center, there also we have a couple of companies, right? So then IR is planned after airport, closer to Devanhalli to Chikbalapura town, but where exactly, we are also waiting for the actual location, right? And then STRR is already going on. STRR work is going on. That's one of the another development of the project, I mean of this entire North Bangalore. Not only North Bangalore, STRR will connect all over Bangalore, as well as Tamil Nadu Hosur location which is there, right? Then, well, that's it. These are the few developments which are happening. And yes, a lot of opportunity we have for this KIDB area, because if you look out all the projects, whatever projects I've told, the developer properties, everything sold out. So Godrej Ananda phase 3, Brigade is coming up with tower, Provident is coming up with new project, and then Prestige is left with 15-20 units. So people have a very good demand. The prices are lesser. All the projects, whatever we have, are all from branded developers, not from the local developers, not from the small developers. All the developers have delivered good projects in the market, very good reputation. Don't miss out this opportunity. If you're interested, don't forget to call us. We are here to get you the best unit. We are here to get you the best price. We are here to get you whatever best possible from our side, whatever you're looking in real estate. So we have studio apartments in KIDBA, 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 2 BHK Jodi, and a 3 BHK compact, 3 BHK large. That's it from our side, everybody. Thank you so much for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're watching our video for first time. Thank you. Stay safe, everybody.